Welcome to Conversations with My Real Friends. This is Jennifer, and I'm here with my friend Tammy. Nice to see you.
You too.
So Tammy is in the title industry, which is a bit of a gray area for most people. Mm-hmm. So title insurance has different types of policies that they can issue.
Correct.
The two main ones for resale real estate transactions are an owner's policy and a loan policy, right?
Correct.
So what's the difference?
Well, an owner's policy is typically a policy that the seller will typically pay for the buyer to protect the buyer on anything that happened when the seller owned the property.
Okay.
So it's an insurance for the buyer that they own their property, right? Okay. And then a lender's policy is a policy that the buyer would take out to cover the lender, because the lender wants that coverage that we cover, plus they want additional coverage to mainly make sure that they're in position, the correct position as a lender, and for situations as if they have to foreclose on the property.
Right.
And in that situation, then now they're protected on what position they are, so they can actually foreclose.
Right. And they make sure they're secured against the right property.
Correct.
And other claims can't come in and all those kinds of fun things.
So it's just added insurance that we provide for the lender.
Yeah.
That does not protect the homeowner. They pay for it, the current the buyer that's buying the property. It's really to protect the lender, but they pay for that policy to protect the lender.
Right, because the lender's not going to take the risk of lending without some level of security.
Right.
Right. Well, great. Now you know the difference between owner's and lender's insurance. If people have more questions and want to ask you about title insurance,
feel free to call me at 805-233-1919.
Great. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining us for this episode of Conversations with My Real Friends.